Welcome friends in lecture 4, lesson 2 is matter around a sphere. In today's topic we are going to learn with respect to concentration of solutions. Now what is the concentration of solution? Concentration of solution is the amount of solute dissolved or present in an amount of solution. So what is the concentration basically? So concentration of solution concentration of solution concentration of the solution is equals to amount of solute amount of solute amount of solute present in amount of solution amount of solution. Now amount of solute can be in terms of grams, बराबर, in terms of grams, and amount of solution is in terms of ml, so it can be grams per ml, right, or kg per liter, kg per liter. How much amount of solute is present in kg per liter? It can be in terms of grams per liter also, but needs to how you are manipulating these things, that is accordingly. Fine, you have to write the units accordingly. So these are the one or two you can find out in terms of percentage also. So the first is the mass percentage of solution. The first is in different types is mass, in your course is mass by mass percentage of the solution, mass by mass percentage, mass by mass percentage, mass by mass percentage of solution is equals to mass of solute upon mass of solution multiply by 100. Why multiply by 100? Because it is a percentage. So you can work out in this form of mass of solute as W1 and mass of solution as W2 multiply by 100. So this can be W1 upon W2 multiply by 100, where this is mass of solute, W1 is the mass of solute and W2 is the mass of the solution. The second way you can find the mass percentage is mass by volume percentage of the solution, mass by volume percentage of solution, mass by volume percentage of solution. Now mass by volume percentage of the solution is mass of solute upon volume of solution multiply by 100. So this can be mass of solute as W1 and here it is V as volume. So W by V you can say multiply by 100, this is going to be. Now in case of unit of this may be in grams or grams, so this is going to get cancelled out, so this is unitless, no unit is there for this particular quantity. In this case this will be grams per liter, this is, or grams per ml, right, grams per liter, grams per ml, or kg per liter, this can be anywhere. So accordingly whatever it is given to you in terms of grams, whether it is in the terms of liter, ml, whatever it is, you need to just write down the units accordingly. Fine. So this is how you need to calculate it. But in general case it would be grams per, in general case it would be grams per liter, right, in general case it would be grams per liter, but some maximum times it is grams per ml also and grams kg per liter also. Fine. This is, as I told you, it is according to the how the circumstances are there and what they are asking for. So this is what you need to do for. The next is the sum which is there. So we will solve the sum as example 2.1. In case of it we are going to solve in terms of example 2.1. So example 2.1. In example 2.1 they have given, I would just show you the example shown, a solution contains 40 grams of common salt in 320 grams of water. That means the solution is there which is containing 40 grams of common salt. Common salt is NaCl, that is called as solute because it is less in quantity, and 320 grams of water. So water is basically a solvent in which this solute is getting dissolved. So calculate the percentage. Calculate the percentage of the solution. So we will write everything first of all and then continue. So as you have seen, mass of solute. What is the solute here? Solute is NaCl, that is common salt. NaCl, that is common salt, and this is given as equals to 40 grams. This is given as 40 grams. Mass of solvent. Solvent is H2O, water. Now water is given, that is 320 grams. 320 grams. So therefore mass of solution will be nothing but NaCl, mass of NaCl plus H2O mass will be equals to 320, that is 40 grams of NaCl and 320 grams of water, which is going to be 360 grams of solution. So the total weight will be equals to 360 grams in terms of solution. So I will write down here as 360 grams. Fine. So this is how it comes to 360 grams. Now according to the formula, mass percentage, we are going to write down, that is mass percentage of solution. Mass percentage of solution, that is, as I told you, is W1 upon W2 multiplied by 100, that is mass of solute. Mass of solute upon mass of solution multiplied by 100. So here the mass of solute is 40 grams and mass of solution is 360 grams. Right? Mass of solute is 40 grams and mass of solution is equals to 360 grams multiplied by 100. So we will cancel out in terms of zeros. 0 is cancelled. 4 ones are and 4 nines are is 36. Right? So this happens to be 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9. 100 divided by 9, as we will do, that will be 11.1%. You can do these calculations by your own also. That this is 11.1%. This is mass percentage of solution. So this is how you need to calculate. Fine. I hope so you understood this sum. Fine. Thank you for this particular lecture.